Okay. Here's a sample problem on torsion. Okay. Here's the problem. The solid compound shaft made of three different materials carries the two torques shown. Calculate the maximum shear stress in each material. And letter B, find the angle of rotation of the free end of the shaft. The shear moduli are 28 gigapascal for aluminum, 83 gigapascal for steel, and 35 gigapascal for bronze. Okay. So, ang first na to nga buhaton is mag-cut ka og section for each member or each material and then analyze or determine the resisting torque para makuha na to ang shear stress. Kaya ang diameter is given naman. For bronze, it's 75. For steel, 75. Aluminum, it's 100. All of them are solid shafts. So, mag-cut ka section sa bronze, cut, and then we analyze the right side, this one. So, since ang applied torque na 2.5 is clockwise, i-resist siya o counter. Ang counter. 2.5 also. And based sa sign convention, this one, pag clockwise ang applied, ang resisting niya is counter. Negative na. Okay, so negative ni. Ang theta na negative pod. Or clockwise negative. Okay. So, muna itong sign convention. O na, kung ang applied is counter, ang resisting din clockwise, so positive na. Okay. So, ang maximum sa bronze, maximum stress sa bronze is this one. Muna formula, 16T over pi d cubed. We have this one. 16 times T now. Ang unit sa torque is 2.5 kilonewton meter. So, we'll convert the units to Newton millimeters. Para ang sa D, millimeters cube, makancel ang millimeters. So, ang remaining unit is Newton per millimeter square or simply megapascal. So, kilonewtons to newtons, that's 1,000. Conversion factor, and meters to millimeters, 1,000 also. So, ang conversion factor nimo is duha ka 1,000. So, 1,000 squared. So, 16T over pi d cubed. The maximum stress sub-roads is 30.18 megapascal. Okay. Next, steel. So, dili ka mag-cut, and then you analyze the right side. Since there's only one applied torque, so ang resisting torque same, 2.5 also. And clockwise ni, so ang resisting is counter negative yapon. Ang sign convention niya is negative. Same value 16, same torque man, same diameter, same stress. Now the last one is aluminum. So mag-cut ka dire and analyze the right side. So, duha na ka-applied torque, 2.5 and 5. Same direction, clockwise. So, therefore, ang resisting torque sa aluminum, counterclockwise, 7.5. That's 5 plus 2.5. And the maximum stress is this. 16 times 7.5 times conversion factor 1,000 squared. Ang diameter niya is 100. The maximum stress for aluminum is 38.2. This is the answer of letter A. For letter B, angle of rotation of the free end is actually the sum of all the angle of rotation for all materials. And since Bisa sign convention shown a while ago na negative ni, negative and negative. Ah, so, in a way, maadra ang angle of rotation. So, mo ni ang formula TL over JJ and i-add na to. I-sum up. So, ang tulo ka torque puro negative. Okay. So, T, ang length niya, converted na to millimeters. And then, ang J is pi over 32, diameter raised to 4. 75, 75, and 100. And then, ang G sa given. Modulus of rigidity for all materials. So, i-compute. Okay. Ang unit ani is radians since makancel ang tanan unit ani. Unit sa torque and L makancel sa unit sa J and G. So, ang resulting unit is radians. And i-convert nimo, i-multiply nimo by 180 over pi. So, makancel ang radians dire. And you will have the angle of rotation in degrees. And a negative ani means na clockwise. Okay? So, yun na ka-importante ang sign convention for you to be able to know kung ang torque, ang resisting torque is positive or negative because ang sign sa torque will affect the angle of rotation sa free end. So, I hope that you have learned something from this video. Thank you for watching.